If you've been denied business funding, this video is about to change everything for you. I'm going to show you the real reasons banks say no, and more importantly, how to position yourself so they can't say no anymore. Look, I've helped entrepreneurs walk away with 50K, 100K, even 150K in capital. And here's the kicker. Some of those businesses had zero revenue, no tax returns, and none of the traditional stuff banks usually ask for. So here's what we're covering today. The 3 hidden reasons banks reject applications. It's called the Wall Street Blueprint. It'll start to flip rejections into approvals with high limits. It talks about how to structure your business so lenders will fight over you, and the exact sequence to get funded in 30 days or less. By the end of this video, you'll know why you've been getting denied, and you'll have a clear roadmap to getting funded. Here are the 3 real rejection reasons. First, it's not just your credit score. It's not your revenue. It's something banks call your fundability score. And here's what that means. If your EIN is brand new, if you're using your home address for your business, or if you don't have business credit established, you're done before you even start. Second, business identity. If you apply with only personal credit and you don't have a solid business profile, banks will not treat you like a real business. That means low approval limits, or worse, denials. And third, timing and sequence. Apply in the wrong order and you limit your approval amounts, sometimes even rejections. And one rejection makes the next one harder. That's why people get stuck and don't get approved for funding. Now let's talk about that Wall Street Blueprint I mentioned earlier. There's several phases in this process. Phase 1, it's your personal credit optimization. And in this phase, the strong credit profiles get the bank's attention. And these are things that you need to do in your credit profile to make it presentable and attractive to lenders. In phase 2, it's the business identity optimization. This is where we make your business look legit on paper. And in phase 3, it's the application sequence. This is the game changer. You're hitting the right banks in the right order for the maximum approvals. So here it is. I'll lay it out for you in a 30-day funding sequence. Week 1, you focus on structure and your business profile setup. Week 2, you lay out your banking sequencing and you start to build banking relationships with the banks that you'll be getting the business funding from. And week 3, you'll map out that application process following the sequence that you set up in the earlier step. And you'll hit the banks that pull from different credit bureaus in a strategic manner. For example, you line up the banks that pull from Experian, and then Equifax, and then TransUnion. That way, one hard pull can unlock multiple approvals in each of the bureaus. Let me break it down for you. Let's say Chase pulls from Experian, Wells Fargo pulls from Equifax, and PNC pulls from TransUnion. Well, when you apply at Chase and apply at PNC, they don't know that you went to Chase to pull from because they each pull from different bureaus. So that inquiry shows up on your Experian for Chase, TransUnion for PNC, the same for Wells Fargo. So those are 3 banks that you can get funding from. And just imagine $20,000 in each bank. Let's go in the low limits. That's $60,000 of approvals at 0% interest to fund your business. That's not a bad amount to start with. So in week 4, this is the final approval stage and the funds land in your account. That's the exciting part. And the key is doing this systematically with a strategy that will make sure that you get approvals and not desperately just haphazardly applying all over the place. Now listen, I can't cover every detail in this video. If I did, I would turn this into a 3-hour masterclass. But here's the deal. I've decided to give away the complete Wall Street Blueprint and pay it forward. This is the same system that I've used to help clients get funded for for 50K, 100K, even 150K at 0% interest. It includes the lender list, the exact application sequence, the entire playbook. And I'm giving it away for free to the first 20 people who click the link below. So don't wait. Grab it now before it's gone. Subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. This gives us an opportunity to know what you're looking for so that I can continue to produce content that'll help you get the funding for your business so you can scale and grow in the way that you're looking for. And if you found value in this video, share it with someone that you think would benefit from it. If you're looking to get in contact with me and work one-on-one with me, I'm happy to take the time and walk you through that exact sequence personally to make sure that you get the funding you're looking for. Click the link below and schedule a time that we can meet.